What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Otterbox Symmetry case for the S22 Ultra. Let's check it out. Okay, so those of you that have been to the channel before know that I always rock my Otterbox cases. This time I went a little different. I got a clear one, but if you haven't seen it before, this is the Symmetry case by Otterbox for the S22 Ultra. Just like the other Symmetry cases, this one rocks the 3X tested military standard. You should be able to drop this thing and not have any huge problems. It's obviously designed for the S22 Ultra. The packaging is kind of what you've come to expect on the Otterbox stuff. Nothing really crazy here. Ultra thin design, wireless charging compatible, good. Raised edges, so when you put the phone down on the glass side down, you shouldn't have a problem. Pocket friendly design, so we'll test that out in a little bit too. That's pretty cool, made with 50% recycled plastic, more than 50% recycled plastic. Antimicrobial case protection. I'm very interested to see. I wonder how they actually do that. If there's like a film, if it's something they put in the material, but either way, let's get into it. Nothing really special to here. Let's see what the packaging. Take it aside here. Legal stuff, nothing really to look at. We're designed for Samsung. Okay, so what's interesting is how square it is. Right at my first impression, it's very angular. I can tell that the top and bottom sides are raised up a little bit more than the sides. That's probably to allow for the waterfall edges. Got your subtle branding on the side here. Get your two buttons for the volume rocker and the power. Cutouts for the mic up top. Cutouts down bottom for your speaker grill and your power port and your pen. Nothing really crazy. It's not as flexible as I thought it'd be, which is not a bad thing. You have the cutout for the optics here as well. The buttons seem a little soft, but the rest of it has a hard feeling to it. Prior to installing the case, we're about 9¼ millimeters thick, about 78 millimeters wide. My caliper doesn't get big enough to do the height, so we'll just do the thick and the width. But the weight of the phone without the case, 229. The weight of the phone with the case, 270.5 probably. It looks like it's kind of going back and forth. Yeah, 270.5, not bad. Let's try it out. Installing seems pretty straightforward. Okay, so it definitely will protect your optics should you put the phone down that way. No rocking whatsoever. You get a little rainbow effect when you look at it off angle there. It's kind of neat. So it feels pretty good in the hand. It definitely raises it up. So if you put it down, you're not laying down on your screen. With the case on, we're looking at about 13.3 millimeters thick, just shy of 85 millimeters wide. Doesn't really add that much to it. Doesn't feel overburdening. It doesn't feel like it detracts from the overall aesthetic of the phone. I'm not really feeling the clear, but aside from that, it's not bad. The case doesn't seem to interfere with the swiping from the sides. Everything seems fine there. Swiping up from the bottom, you'll have to get used to the lip. Swiping down from the top seems fine. And other than that, the case seems to fit pretty well. So if you're new to the Otterbox stuff, these cases, pretty much any one you get, will offer good protection from drops and accidental falls. They come in a variety of different colors. This one comes in black and I think a couple other colors as well. I got the clear one just because I'd never used it before and I figured I'd try something new out. Not my favorite as far as the color goes, but it does seem like it checks all the boxes. Getting to the S Pen down bottom. It is a little bit weird. It's not terrible. The S Pen doesn't pop out that much further past it, but they do give you a cutout on the bottom so you can kind of get your nail in there and pull it out. So not a huge deal. Yeah, once you get used to it, it shouldn't be a problem. Let's see. It definitely slows down getting it out, but it's not impossible or super hard. And I'm sure that's one of those things that with practice you'll be able to get it out pretty quick. Yeah, not too bad. So yeah, if you're looking for a good phone that's not too thick, allows you to see the color of the phone itself, protects your optics, protect the front of your phone, and still give you access to the sides for scrolling without any problems, this is definitely an option. Thanks for stopping by the channel today and checking out this case with me. Let me know in the comments if you have this case, or an Otterbox case, or you prefer a different type of case. I might grab some other cases and try them out as well, but I'm definitely curious to see what you're all using. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.